Hello everyone, how you doing? This is Coach Fleischer. Hey, reaching out here regarding Kinesiology 111 and looking at the home stretch here for our class. And we just completed Module 3, which was, if you remember, that's the yellow themed module. And now we're going to go into Module 4, which is a green themed module. Say that fast a couple times. Green theme, green theme. And I did post a few things, a few little messages here, one of which was last week, but then I updated it today, was regarding summer heat and hydration. I just want to touch base on this and make sure you guys are fully aware of as we get into the hot days of summer. If you're working outside, make a couple of changes, right, to your workout schedule. Try to work out either earlier in the day or later on in the evening when it's cooler out. Also, make sure you hydrate, and it sounds like a lot, but really when you're in the summertime and you're working out, when you look at hydration and trying to take in as much water as possible, that process starts early, right? So if you're going to be working out in the morning, it's going to be difficult to gulp down a bunch of water in the morning before you actually start your workout. So you may have to actually start the hydration process the night before, make sure you're properly hydrated the day before, and then get up, do your workout, and then stay hydrated the rest of the day. Later on in the afternoon, if you work out in the evening, you can hydrate all day, which is fantastic. I also put a couple of resources in here for you regarding heat stroke and heat exhaustion. There's a difference between those two. Realize when you progress through different stages of heat stroke to heat exhaustion that you definitely are putting yourself in a dangerous state. And it's awareness. It's awareness to the not only the actual air temperature, but the air temperature and humidity, and you have the amount of or the level of heat index. And that's kind of your key there, right? Because the hotter it is and the more humid it is, the higher the heat index goes, and that makes a difference. So just be aware of those, all right, guys? So let's jump into, real quick, I want to go into materials. I can scroll this up a smidge here so we have it. There we go. Materials. All right. Scroll on through. We've done 1, we've done 2, we've done 3. Now we're going into Module 4. And Module 4 is where we'll start off today with training progressions, frequency, intensity, time, basic workout layout, meso, micro, and macro cycles and programming. And be on the lookout for a check for learning to show up in this module. I just have not written it yet. All right, guys, have a great one. Hammer through this module. Keep going with your workouts. You're doing great. And look forward to closing out this term and then getting on with the fall term. Have a great one.